Good afternoon. My name is Lieutenant Colonel John Murphy, and I'm the Department Head for the Junior ROTC and JCC programs here at YMLA. Classes I teach are all 4 levels of the Army ROTC program, 2 levels of the Honors U.S. Military History, and this year at YMLA has been selected to be part of a national pilot program which brings 8th graders up into the high school to start earning junior elective or general elective and PE credits through the Army ROTC program. You can see my contact information there in the bottom corner. Phone rings directly to my desk, and the email is on me 24/7, 365. Please reach out to me if you have any questions, or if you want to find ways in which you can partner with our program through the various events we're going to participate in throughout this year and the future coming years. We're always looking for partnerships with our parents. The more that we can get involved, the better it is for our young men. What is ROTC? We are a citizenship and leadership course. We are trying to find and understand our roles and responsibilities as being a citizen of the United States and develop our leadership skills and character traits as we move forward into whatever life has for each of us. You can see the mission statement from Big Army to motivate young people to be better citizens. We work on character development, leadership, citizenship, our community service areas. We also work on life skills. Talking with some of the graduates from YMLA over the past couple of years, they say some of the life skills are areas they really would like to have gotten more on in class. And those include balancing a checkbook, establishing budgets, better decision making, and time management skills. All those we teach here in the ROTC program. The values are a big deal as our program. You can see the values here with the Army are also very similar to what the values are posted in the auditorium here at YMLA. The big ones are integrity and the personal courage or personal accountability for everything that we say and do. That is something we stress every day. Always do the right thing even when no one's watching. The young men get more from our program the more involved they get. They'll have more opportunities to practice in that citizenship and their leadership skills, whether it be through our academic and leadership competitions, our drill teams, our color guards, or some of our adventure training, whether it be orienteering or through our Raider program. And at the bottom there, you see the U.S. Military History course again in our various staff rides. In the past, we've taken some of our young men to tour some of the Western forts on the Western Fort Trail here throughout Texas. We also took them up to Washington, D.C., where we visited the battlefield of Antietam. We went to Mount Vernon, and we also went to the Holocaust and the National African American Museums. We look at history differently. We don't necessarily look at it sequentially. We can pick out various events and really study the leadership and the decision-making processes that go with these various events and military engagements throughout the history of our country. It does support everything that happens in other history and social studies courses here on campus, but we do look at it just a little bit different, not just the way that you normally would in a regular history course. What ROTC is not, it is not a recruiting tool for the military. That is the farthest thing, and we don't even try to discuss that unless a student comes to talk to us specifically as they get ready to graduate from high school. Some of the different pictures that you're going to see now are the things that some of our young men have been involved in over the last couple of years, whether it be laying wreaths out at the National Military Cemetery over in Dallas, some of our athletic events, our trips to go to various military installations to look at some of the simulation training that they have there and the tools that they use for those kind of things, our staff rides, and some of our adventure training, like with the Raider team, our robotics training. So we have a lot of different ways for young men to get involved to really develop those leadership skills that will help them throughout the rest of their lives. You can also see with this one, our community service, where we actually go and we made lunches and took them out to the various homeless areas where homeless people seem to congregate and tried to make sure that they're okay. And our color guard. Our color guard has gotten so good that we were selected to be the color guard for the National Gymnastic Championships at the D1 level. Who am I? First and foremost, I'm a believer. Those three things there are my priorities that I try to live in my life every day. I haven't always gotten that right, but I try. I'm a single dad. I have 3 girls. The oldest is 26 in the Army and married. 23 and 19, with the youngest just getting ready to start nursing school at Texas Tech. Born and raised here in Texas in this general area, but I'm an Air Force brat. So as my dad traveled around, I got to move with his career and live in various different environments and different government styles. So I have a unique perspective about some of the things as our world gets smaller and we become more global. I call Mineral Wells home and always have. That's where I graduated from high school, and I graduated from UT Arlington a few years back with a degree in radio and television communications. I have worked for 2 local radio stations here in the Metroplex, as well as worked in real estate, selling single and multifamily homes. I've done and had my own business in the residential and commercial construction. When I decided to join the military, I enlisted, went to basic training, then went to officer candidate school, the various other military training. Ended up serving 21 years. I had 2 combat tours to Iraq and 1 to Afghanistan during that time frame. Also during that time frame, I taught for 3 years at the University of Toledo, where I first became aware of the Junior ROTC program. And that's where I've decided I wanted to come back and start giving back to my community, as well as to the young folks that take this course. This is my 4th full year here at YMLA, and I love it. I feel very honored and blessed that I get to work with each and every one of these young men and be a part of the dream team. You have my email and my phone number. By all means, reach out to me at any time. I'm here ready to serve these young men.